drawing. Hello my dears. Today I drew milk bottle and cookie for kids.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock.
Let's start.
The fox jumped on.
I'm drawing milk bottle at first.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Please subscribe.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two.
It's cute and playful. This is glass and this is cookie. You know, milk is so healthy for dear
Hickory
kids.
dickory
Do
dock,
you like milk?
the dog barked at
If
the
you like
clock.
milk,
The clock
please like
struck
this video.
Fiddly-dee, hickory dickory dock.
Wow, this is so cute. I'm going to be very beautiful when I'm painting. So stay with me until the end of the
Hickory
video.
dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Red color.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the
Blue
clock.
color.
The clock struck six, oh fiddle six. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick
Light
tock.
blue.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory
Dark
dickory
brown.
dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory
Light
dickory
brown.
dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Please subscribe.